Today I got with us the Venom Cub 125cc scooter. This is a 125cc motor with a 4-speed manual transmission. It has quite a number of features. It is a pretty cool looking bike. It is great for commuting around town. It's not good to go on the freeway as it's only a 125, but it's a perfect in-city bike. I'm sure you can do a lot of DoorDash deliveries with this as well. I'm gonna see what kind of things it has. It's got a little compartment storage right here where actually you get access to your CDI and your voltage regulator. You have a little rear basket. This is pretty cool where your ignition key goes right there. This is where your compartment goes, and it is a 125 horizontal single cylinder engine. You got your handlebar locks where you can just close it up like that and lock it in. It's fully street legal. It's a 125, gets you about 55-60 miles an hour. Let me fire it up for you. It's got a beefy exhaust. This is the Venom Cub 125. Drop your comments below. Let me know what you think of it.